Hey guys, Chris from 4K Motoring here, back with you today to do a little follow-up video. So I know I mentioned in my last tire video that I would show you how to do the TMPS reprogramming on the Corvette. I realize that's probably a useful thing that some people might want just by itself, so I made this separate video, not included in the other one, to show you how to do that. So obviously, last video we went ahead and upgraded the wheels and tires to the C6 wheels. We did put the new Schrader TMPS sensors in the wheels, so let's go ahead and go through the programming process to see if we can get those to work. Hopefully they do. The two things you're going to need to do this job are the key and a magnet. So most of the videos I've seen, they have a round kind of donut magnet that has a hole in the middle to go over the valve stem. I don't have that. This is the strongest magnet I have, part of a different thing I have, but it has the neodymium, whatever, the really powerful magnet. So we'll see if we can get that to work today. I don't know if it's going to. We are going to put our key in the ignition here and turn it to the on position. You'll see we have a couple warnings come up here. Door jar, we see service tire monitoring system is what we're here to fix. We're gonna hit the reset button to clear all of those warnings, so we just have our steady info screen. So what we're gonna do is hit our options button until we get a blank screen. There we go, so that's what we're looking for. And once we get that blank screen, we're going to press and hold our reset button. So now we have fob training pops up. We're gonna hit options once, go to tire training. All right, we're going to hit reset once, and now we have less than a minute to go around. We're gonna start front left and go clockwise. The horn should beep. There we go. Perfect. Now front right, same thing. Passenger side rear. And driver side rear. There we go. And with that, our TMPS sensor should be set. Well guys, we are done. It was that easy. Turns out we did not need one of those donut magnets. Any just strong regular magnet will work. I don't know if one of the little magnetic extensions would work, but hey, we got it done. So, car is up and running. There are no errors currently with the car. Everything's working, which is amazing for a car this old. TMPS sensors work just fine. The ones I've posted in the last video, they're working with the wheels, so that is that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys found this useful. Let me know if you have any other questions about the car, and we'll see you soon.